everyone, I am Daisy Dumadamon. Today I will going to discuss to you what PowerPoint presentation is about. In school, you may assign to report orally one of your subject or perhaps on how you spent your vacation or holiday. With those things, you are presenting ideas. And that's basically what PowerPoint presentation is about. Through Microsoft PowerPoint, you can deliver information and convince people. You can add also music, videos, sounds, animated pictures. And Microsoft PowerPoint also, you can change the settings, what you want for your presentation to be more interesting.
Sure.
That's it.
Pleasant day to everyone. Today, let me show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation. When I open PowerPoint presentation, you can see a single slide displayed to start a presentation. After that, if you want to add a new slide, just put the cursor in a new slide. Just click the top part of new slide icon in the slides group. Slide column on the left, you can fill it up with text, graphics if you want.
Okay.
If new slide will appear in the slide column on the left, you can fill it up within text, graphics if you want. And if you want to delete your slide, it is easily deleted from the slide group in the Home tab. On the slide column at the left, click the slide you want to delete. Then, click delete in the slide group.
Next is, I will show to you how to move a slide and how to apply a theme to the slide. A slide can also be moved in the slide column. For example, slide 3 can be moved and dragged in the slide 2, or slide 2 can be moved in the slide 1. The order of the slide can also be changed with the slide sorted in the presentation views group of the view tab. Small views of the slide called thumbnails will be shown in display window. Just go to view and click slide sorter. And if you want to use the slide column again, just click normal in the same group. It is beside slide. Change the theme and background of your slide in the design tab. Just click design and choose what you like for your PowerPoint presentation. You can change also the color of the background. Just click here, background styles, and if you choose this color, just click and it will show in your slide. You can see here, and see here. You can play your slideshow when you are done making the slide. Open the view tab and click slideshow. In the presentation, your slideshow is ready to play. Just click from the beginning, and if you want to exit, just click ESC. Your slideshow when you are done making the slides. Open the view tab and click slideshow, and your slideshow is ready to play. Press one of your typing keys repeatedly and the slides will appear one after the other. The enter, spacebar, and arrow keys are easy to use to play slideshow, or just click F5 to show your presentation. And if you want to add table in your PowerPoint presentation, just click insert and you can find the table below behind the pictures. Click and choose how many columns and rows you want to apply. Just for example, this. And after that, write your data in this table.